Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a world in Hytale. Once you launch the game, I want you to come here on the left hand side, click on world, and then you can either create an exploration world or a creative world. I'll just name this world our channel name, and then you can click here on this gear cog to adjust the settings. And as you can see here, we can toggle on PvP if we want, or you can keep it toggled off. You can also disable fall damage if you don't want that. I'll keep it on. And then here we have a day or night cycle. You can increase the speed if you want. And of course, you can also adjust the inventory penalty on death. So right now it is set at partial drop. If you want them to drop all, you can toggle this one. If you don't want it to drop anything, just click here on none. And you can also adjust these sliders for resource loss percentage on death and durability loss percentage on death. And then once you are done, you just apply these settings, and then you just click on create world, and then it will go ahead and boot up the server and create your world for you. As you can see right now, the world is under construction. You just have to give this about 5 seconds, and then your world will be set up. As you can see here, this is my beautiful world, and that is how to create a world in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel as well. That helps me out.